While the Switchblade 300 has had some modest success in Ukraine, it still has managed to hit multiple targets. Being able to take out static as well as moving target, the kamikaze drone gets its pros from being able to find, loiter and track targets quickly. Especially with the Switchblade 300 due to its small size and weight. This could also be a drawback as the lower weight limits the warhead size. But with rapid deployment, targets used close to the front line can be targeted even if moved. Ukraine managed to spot a 9K33 Osa surface-to-air mobile missile system, trying to hide in between trees. The Switchblade 300 could easily be steered to the target. The only drawback is the damage it may cause the system, most likely taking it out of service, but possibly being able to repair it. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.